Say boo 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 boo
Welcome to
and Merry
Four
Christmas!
Men in the Refrigerator.
Yeah,
Christmas edition.
the Christmas edition.
Yes. How Christmassy will this be?
10.
10 out of 15?
10.
Oh, 10 out of 10.
Yeah. Wow.
I'm not sure.
It'll be our best podcast so far.
You're promising.
Yes.
You're promising this,
okay.
okay? So, well, we will see, Henrik,
Yeah.
if this will be the best.
Yeah, we will
podcast
listen.
It will be the best, but it will be the one that we're most we're not very prepared.
No.
No, we're actually very unprepared for this one, I think. But we have some funny stuff.
Yes.
Always.
To get up here. Yes. I look forward
Much
to something.
Christmas stuff.
Yeah, I hope so. I hope it will be Christmassy because this day is the 21st of December.
Yes.
That means it's 3 days.
To Christmas.
To
and
Christmas.
when you are listening this, maybe it is Christmas. Maybe you're
Maybe.
listening to this podcast while the rest of your family are opening the presents.
Presents.
That would be cool.
Yes.
Maybe a bit sad.
A bit sad. You are.
I would
Well,
not be
but if
listening
you
to
put it-
podcasts.
Yeah, but you can put it out loud so
Yes.
everyone can hear it.
Woo!
Yes, you
Hello,
can do.
family.
Family. What did you get? Nice. That was a nice present.
Yes.
Yes. Oh.
What do you wish for Christmas?
A pencil, maybe.
Peace on
You
earth.
just bought a new pencil.
Yeah, but
and
I
you asked
lost
me.
it.
Did you?
Yeah,
And you asked me, did I pay for that pencil?
I didn't pay for the pencil because I gave it to my mom. So
Didn't you pay for? No. Oh yeah, of
my
course.
mom
Your mom paid, for the
my
pencil.
pencil, and
You did not steal it. Your mom paid for the
yeah,
pencil.
and my mom lost it in a bag or something.
Oh, so you want a new pencil now?
Yes, I went to find the pencil.
Okay, you
don't
just
know where.
ignored me saying peace on earth.
Oh,
Yeah, but that's not enough because everyone wants peace on earth.
Okay,
Or
fine.
not everyone actually, but most of people want peace
Yes.
on earth.
If you want peace on earth, you have to start with yourself.
Oh, that was a.
Oh,
You can quote
wow.
him on that one.
Yes.
Have
Wow.
you stolen that quote from someone?
No.
No, you have not. But what do you want? What do you actually want from Christmas? What can people actually give you for Christmas?
I want some soda, maybe.
Really? You want soda
some
for
candy and
That's like things you always get on Christmas. It's candy.
Yes, and I want-
much
and
candy.
I still want it.
Yeah.
Yes.
Because you're eating your candy. So you
Yes.
have to get more.
More candy.
More candy.
Olas, I want a Newt Scamander scarf,
Okay.
and I hope I'll get one because I need a scarf, and that's a cool scarf.
You need a scarf.
I need a scarf.
You need a scarf. Why
Yeah,
do you need
because
it?
I don't like when the what is it called?
Wind.
No, the zip
The
thing.
zipper.
The zipper is all up
Yeah,
to
it's
the. I just find it uncomfortable, so I don't have it up there. I have it like quite long down, and since then it's nothing covering my my throat and neck.
Throat.
So
Oh.
Yes.
so and that might get a bit little cold.
Bit
you
little.
know.
A bit cold.
So yes.
Yeah.
Can you hear this? Shaking. I'm shaking my iced coffee.
Yes.
You hear it?
Yes.
And
Yes.
you did not bring something for me and Henry.
No, I did not. But you could have bought something on the
Way here, yes. I
way
could.
here. So, but I will drink my iced coffee.
Yes.
And Henrik,
Yes.
you've got something you want to talk about.
Yes,
with
I had
us.
forgot it, but I have found topic,
Mhm.
and that is gingerbread houses.
Mhm.
Wow.
Not heard about that.
What? Explain to us. What is a gingerbread house?
Yes, it's like gingerbread. It's the most the most popular Christmas cake, I think, in Norway.
It's the most
Maybe.
stereotypic,
Yes,
but I
yes.
don't know if that's what people I mean, people like the most, but maybe the one that's like the top. It's like everyone has gingerbreads
Yes.
in their
Or
house.
pepper
but-
cake, as
or
it is
pap-
called.
Pepper cake.
Pepper cake.
Yeah, that is not how we say it.
That's a better word. Pepper cake.
Pepper cake, okay.
It's not very much pepper in it, and it's not very much ginger in it. But
That's true. That's true.
yeah. So it's a house made with gingerbread cookies.
Yes.
Do you usually have gingerbread houses
We
in your
used
house?
to have it, but we haven't made it this year. Maybe we shall buy it or something.
Olaus, do you have? Do your
No, we
family
do
have?
not usually have. If you want to, we can have it, but like,
Yeah.
I'm not a big fan. Of
No,
them,
we were
actually.
like we were making some gingerbread. What do we call it? Gingerbread cookies?
Yeah.
Is that a word?
Gingerbreads.
Yeah, gingerbreads. That sounds a bit weird.
It's
but
not a bread.
We made some things, and then my little brother made like the
A house.
Wow.
walls and
Yeah.
the roofs
And the roofs of
kind
it
of things.
will
But
be a house.
it will be a house, but we have not yet put it together.
Yeah.
But we sometimes we have gingerbread houses,
Yeah.
but
But there
not
is
always.
something I don't understand because
Okay.
when you're making gingerbread houses, you like glue it together with some. What is it? It's melted
sugar. Melted
sugar, yeah.
sugar.
You might do that,
Or
but we have flour. No, not flour.
beans.
What is it called?
I do
The
that.
white thing. Sugar. It's just made
It's
of
basically
sugar.
sugar.
It's just made of sugar, and it's called confectionery sugar.
Oh.
That's what they
What was it?
confectioner's sugar.
Okay.
Icing sugar.
But does that work? Does it
Definitely,
hold
but
it?
Yeah, it
together?
works, but it's not. It's not as good as.
It's not as
no.
solid, but it
And it's
have
but
a
it-
better taste.
Yeah, it is because this melted sugar is not good.
No, it's not so good.
It tastes burned.
Yeah,
Yes.
so
Because it is
like,
burned.
If you
Burnt,
want
yeah,
to
you're
eat the gingerbread, you have to like have the corners and everything like not eaten up because there's some sugar and no one wants that. It's so hard and yeah.
Yes.
Not
Yes,
very
true.
tasty.
Is that what you have used to have when you have made?
Yes, we have used.
Yes, I
to have
think.
that. But last time we had some. I don't know. It was like it was made to make
Cool.
gingerbread houses.
Yeah.
Yes.
My brother made like a church.
Oh wow.
It was I don't know, traditional Norwegian stavkirke.
Oh.
Wow. Did
but
you make that?
yeah, but
Wow.
it was like kind of a one. It was like not that complicated, or what to say, not that. Of course, not that big, but and my uncle always, not always, also made Nidarosdomen.
Oh wow.
But I guess he did not carve out the faces, stuff like that.
Yeah.
But so there is many cool things you can do with
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
gingerbread houses. But
We have just made regular houses.
Yeah, I mean,
yeah, like if, yeah. But I don't feel like that's an important tradition for me.
no,
No.
not me either.
It's like okay,
Gingerbread is good.
I don't.
I don't
like,
really like
I
them.
don't really like
Or-
gingerbread.
But we need it. It's
Yeah, it's like
tradition.
it's a tradition that I think it's
We made
it's
gingerbread,
good
yes.
good to just like have it on the
the table.
table, but that's what I'm eating the last. If it's like
It's
all
better
the
with
things
the-
around there, I eat something.
It's better with a white cake, man.
No.
no.
Yes.
No.
Yes, it's
But
very good.
what's best is gingerbread with this sugar thing. What was it
Yes.
called? Icing sugar
Gosh,
and
yeah.
non-stops.
Oh, and
I made.
And
We made. Okay.
I don't know what it is on some on Norwegian. It's seigemen.
I don't know. Just
I don't know.
say.
Yeah.
We made gingerbread cookies on Sunday maybe or Saturday.
Yeah, Sunday I think.
We
No,
made
it was
on
Saturday.
Yeah, it was Saturday.
Oh, did you make it Saturday?
No,
Oh,
I
loser.
did not. I haven't. Yeah, it has been some time since I.
No, it has to be Sunday.
Oh, bad.
Yes.
Okay, but
I-
what's your story?
Yeah, we was making gingerbread cookies on Sunday, and I made a little goat with smash.
Wow.
Oh, you made little goats.
Yeah.
With
With smash, you know, smash chocolate is like a
Yeah,
triangle thing.
Yeah.
chocolate, so it looked
That's
like
the
his
horns,
horns.
yeah.
Wow.
So for you that don't know, little goat is Henrik's
Best friend.
the best friend. It
That
is a
sounded sad.
fantasy. Yeah, very sad when we say it's a fantasy character.
Yeah,
or
that's his best friend.
it's his best friend. What do we call it? It's a comic character.
Yes.
He has made comic strips with it.
Yes.
I got one when I was like 3-4 years old.
Wow.
A little comic book from Henrik with little goat cleaning his house. That one is beautiful, actually. That one is beautiful.
Wow.
But that was not about gingerbread houses.
No.
But will we move on?
Yes.
Let's move.
Let's get a Christmas jingle because I
Yes.
Oh,
think
yes.
we have some Christmas jingles on store. So
Woohoo.
Ready for some Christmas?
Dreaming of
white
Christmas.
yes.
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 Okay,
That was
okay.
nice.
Are you ready
So-
for the Quizmas quiz?
That was your fantastic name, right? Quizmas. Quiz.
Quiz.
It's a Quizmas quiz.
Wow, that was nice.
Yeah. And this,
Okay, explain.
yes.
What is this?
It's a quiz that you can take.
Oh,
Yes.
nice. Thank you.
No, not you,
Oh,
but
sorry.
but
The-
you
Listeners.
listeners, yes, because usually we are doing the quizzes and stuff,
Yes.
and the listeners are just listening.
Yes.
Yes, but now,
That's actually true, Henrik. Good thinking of you.
but now the listeners can
Be
And-
part of it.
be part of the game and
Yeah, you can't be talking here, right?
No.
Actually, sorry for that. You can't be talking.
But yes, we have
Um,
some questions.
Okay, but.
Yes.
So, if I've got this right, we're gonna say some questions.
Yes.
They're gonna try to find the answers.
Yes, and they can send
And what
it,
are they gonna do then?
Yes, they can send it on email to
You, for instance?
yeah, for example, to me, henrik.hitland at Bjorkly.
Bjorkly, you have to
Bjorkly.
say. Because it's not Bjorkly.
Oh,
It's
is it?
no A.
No.
Yeah, you know.
Oh, okay.
Bjorkly
Bjorkly. dot no.
Yes.
stands for Norwegian
Yes.
or something. I don't know what it is. Yeah, it
think
must
it's
be
Norwegian.
Norwegian.
Yes.
Probably.
Or actually, yeah. Never mind.
Yes.
Okay. So we have all got some questions each.
Yes.
2 questions each.
Have you questions too?
Yes.
Where do you have them? In your
I
mind?
have them in my brain. In my head.
But
Oh,
in
have
me head.
we have not actually in my head.
In me head.
In me head.
In me
we
head.
have not actually talked about this,
No.
so we don't know if some of us have the same questions. Probably we don't have.
No, I don't think you have mine. But I
do not.
didn't save my questions.
Do you remember them?
Yeah, I remember one, but I can try to find. the
Okay.
second.
But do you want to hear my questions
Yes.
first? then?
Yes. Question 1.
Okay, so this question is about who was the original Santa Claus.
Oh.
And what this question actually is about, I mean, who is Santa Claus inspired? No, I mean,
Yeah, inspired.
inspired
a,
by?
a, a person, which person did the myth of Santa Claus
I
like
think
develop
I
from?
think I know the answer.
And it's 2 parts of this question, so you can
Wow,
get
wow, wow.
2 points on this one.
Ooh.
And the other is, where did he come from?
Oh, I
And
know.
this is the country. You don't dare say, don't dare tell.
He was from.
He was from the moon. Which country he comes from? Not the city or...
Maybe
Moon
in
is
the
not
North
a
Pole.
city or a.
Oh, the North Pole. Yes, so that was my first question.
Yes.
The next question,
Question 2.
thank you, is which kind of soda has used Santa Claus regularly? in advertisement?
Yeah.
Oh.
Use that.
Oh, I think I know.
Both
Yeah,
answers. Do you know?
I don't know the 3 answers. I
But
know
you
of-
can't
don't
answer. You
know.
can't
No,
send.
I'm not going
You
to.
can send the email
Okay,
to me.
so will I
Ooh.
just say them once more?
Okay.
Yeah.
Who was the original Santa Claus and where did he come from? You can get 2 points on that one. And which kind of soda has used Santa Claus in advertisements?
Yes.
Yes.
Just one. one
One
point
point
on that
down.
one. Okay, Elias.
Okay, my turn.
Question: Christmas tree.
Thank you
Christmas
to you,
tree,
Henrik.
yes. Okay, so this is instead of Christmas, what does the Jews celebrate?
Oh,
That-
you are. Oh.
Yes.
That's not an easy question.
No.
No,
So
Good.
yes.
I
and,
don't know the.
I know it,
I don't
but
know.
I'm not gonna tell it.
I don't know.
No.
But the next question, yes.
Yes. The next question is, when do... Okay, I will say Americans. I don't know if there are more than... probably more than Americans, but...
Probably.
Yeah, when do they open their presents?
Oh, I think I know the answer on
Christmas
that
presents.
one. I think I know the answer on that one.
So,
And we're not talking about James Denver because he opens his
Yeah.
Christmas
On
packets
the
on
1st
3rd
of-
of August.
Yes.
But we're not
Oh.
talking about him, we're
No.
talking about...
and you can get
The
2
whole-
points here.
Oh!
Yes.
Wow,
One
wow,
is the
wow.
date, and one is for the time of
Oh.
the day.
Ah, yeah,
Which
I see.
is-
So-
Clock time.
Yeah.
Yeah, no.
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 Like if
Not-
the
do not-
evening,
yeah.
The evening,
morning,
night,
night,
dinner
Exactly.
time.
tea time,
Afternoon.
tea for the Tillerman,
Tea for Isak, some ice coffee.
iced coffee. I'll have tea later
And
today.
time
Eliza.
for the next question.
No,
Oh,
you'll
oh,
just
no.
repeat them
Okay.
first.
Yes. So first was, instead of Christmas, what do the Jews celebrate? Question 2 was, when do the Americans open their presents? Both which date and
Yes.
when in the day?
Yes.
do they- Yeah.
See, okay.
Okay.
And then you, fourth question, no, fifth question.
Yes.
Sorry,
Okay.
I'm not good at count.
I just found this question, and it is which date do the Russians celebrate Christmas?
Oh,
Oh,
that I don't know.
I have
don't
no clue
Yeah.
when the Russians celebrate
Yes.
Christmas.
And it's not.
Maybe it's never.
Our neighbors.
Yes.
Oh,
Yeah, that was the fifth question, and the last
They're-
question
bit scary.
is about the Grinch.
Oh,
You
the
know,
Grinch.
Green.
Yeah, we know the Grinch
who
who
stole. Yeah.
Yes, he's cool.
Stole Christmas.
Yeah,
Yes.
he'll not steal my Christmas. Yes. What about Grinch?
Yeah. Which 3 words are the best adjectives to describe the Grinch?
Okay, I have 3 adjectives now, but I'm not gonna say them.
I know the 3, but yeah, I'm not going to say them.
Okay, so
It is in the movie.
it's in the movie.
Okay.
Yeah.
Shall I repeat them?
Yeah, repeat them, of course.
Okay. Which date do the Russians celebrate Christmas? And which 3 words are the best to describe the Grinch?
3 points on the last one, then.
Yes.
You can because you can get
Ooh.
so
Three
this
words.
one if you make if you
The
can,
Grinchy question.
So you can get, let's see, I'm very bad at counting. You can get 10 points. That's
Yes.
maximum. No,
Yes.
11. No.
3
No,
of
it's
you,
10.
3 of me, and
4 on
3
me,
of
yeah.
4. Yeah.
Yes, I totally agree. 10 points. Is maximum.
10 points.
So
What you have to do is send an email to Henrik with,
with
question 1 and the answer afterwards, and then question 2
And
and,
then you-
2 1.
and I just want to say this to you. Of course, you can use the internet, but that's your problem because this is not meant. You will not get anything for winning this. See, or you can send with a little hilsen, a little message
Yes.
for
Yes.
us. We'll probably read if you make. Yeah, we'll see what we do, but you'll not get anything. So it's not that kind of competition. It's just this is just for you to
Yes.
try to.
Our Christmas present to you.
Yeah.
Yes.
Can you make
From all
this?
of us
To all of you. If you're able to do this, it's just for fun. So, okay, if you choose to use the internet, your problem.
Okay,
It's
yeah.
what I'll say to
Yes.
that. Good. I think we'll move on.
Yes.
Shall we have a jingle?
No.
Or are we just moving?
Yeah, we'll have a jingle.
Okay.
Let's get a jingle. Jingle!
Bell. They're cool. Okay. Okay. Do 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 do. Do 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 do.
Okay. Henrik, you know that you've used that joke before.
Okay.
Jingle, and it's a bell.
Okay, sorry.
Okay, Olaus.
Yes.
This is your area of expertise, isn't
Oh,
it?
it's my area of expertise.
Disney.
Isn't what did you say?
Disney.
Disney.
We're gonna
Oh.
take a test, and it's somehow related to Disney. How did you make that happen, Olaus?
I don't actually remember. It's like a week, 2 weeks since.
Yeah, we were just checking for tests, and then you just came over with it.
Yeah.
Came
So
over
what
with
is
it.
the test?
The test is, it's like a Disney test, and the
Yeah.
thing is, it's like, I think that what the test will give us answer. We have not taken the test, so
No.
we don't actually know. But
No.
what it looks like is a test to tell us which Disney
Christmas movie.
best Christmas movie on Disney Plus.
Wow.
That's right on there right now. That's the best. What's that on us? The best for us to see,
Yeah.
or which movie they think we will like the most.
Yes.
And then it's of course the Disney movies,
Yes.
Disney
The-
Christmas movies.
Or it is on Disney Plus.
Yeah, sure. It doesn't have to be Disney movies, of course. So I don't know which kind of movies it is. I mean,
No.
it's the
Let's
Grinch
see.
and different
I don't know
things.
if it's on Disney Plus, but yeah.
No, maybe it's not. Are you in?
No, I
Maybe
can
Home
you
Alone.
please tell me the net address.
Oh.
You actually
Best Christmas movies on Disney Plus right now.
Yeah.
Brainfall.
Then I will find it.
I can just tell you, all of you, that we have something exciting because we have got something from Caspian.
Oh.
So soon we will look at that one.
Yes.
I have not looked at it myself.
Oh.
I think it is a Christmas letter, but
Oh.
it's sent digital, so I have not read
Oh.
it. Maybe it's just an email where he tells us something. I don't know, but
Oh.
it will be very exciting.
That
to...
will be fun to see what Caspian is.
Yeah, what's
writing.
on Caspian's mind right
Yeah.
now. That will be
That'll be
nice.
fun.
So you can look forward.
Yes,
to that.
I'm looking forward to that.
While we're waiting for Olaus to find
Yes. So
the link is actually on the document, but
yeah,
maybe
but I
it's...
can't find the document. So this is. Wait, can you say what is the place? It's
Brainfall.com.
Brainfall.
And what Brainfall.com is, we don't know, and we can't support what they stand for, or we don't know if
No.
we can support that. That was a weird sentence.
Yes.
We're not advertising for them.
No.
Here now.
Actually. Oh, Steam Flash sale. Yeah, just forget about it.
Okay.
You got it?
Yes, I'm in.
Okay, welcome to
Okay.
the Christmas.
You can
like,
start
Christmas
with the
story.
first
Yes, I'm
question.
gonna read the first question. How does the Christmas season make you feel?
Okay.
So it's either stressed out, ready to party, laid back, dark and lonely, happy.
I mean, laid back is like,
Yes.
finally.
We can sleep.
But I mean, that's a happy feeling,
Yeah.
isn't it?
I will
Because
take happy. But it's not just laid back. It's like woohoo.
I have been, I mean, I've been excited, but I know that when the Christmas day comes, I'm not disappointed, I'm not saying that, but it's like, I'm just more feeling comfortable and just feeling well Not
Yeah.
necessarily like,
Okay.
so I will take laid back.
I'll take
I
happy.
might take ready to party.
Yeah, I guess you would take credit to party.
Yes. So, Henrik, do you want to read the next question?
Okay, when it comes to holiday traditions, which are your favorites? Opening your wine advent calendar, but trying
That's
not
not
to
the
skip
drink,
ahead.
Henrik. Just as you know, it's not the drink, it's the...
But
yeah.
trying to not to skip ahead too many days. Too many days.
That's right wrong, just continue.
Wearing matching PGs with a family and opening up one present each on Christmas Eve. We are not wearing matching pajamas.
You're not.
Going out to eat because Dad burns the turkey again. That's not the tradition. We are not eating turkey. We're eating
Yeah.
stick meat.
Yeah.
Hosting a horror movie marathon. Watching It's a Wonderful Life for the 19th time.
There was no tradition
I
there.
think I'll take the first one.
Yeah, but I
Opening-
never do that. I don't have a calendar like that.
Yeah, but
anyway.
I have that, so I will take that.
Okay.
What am I gonna say?
Don't you host a horror movie marathon?
No! I've never seen a horror movie all my life. Have you?
No.
No. I didn't think it.
I'll take the advent calendar because I'm not.
But I don't have
Jeez.
advent calendar.
But which
We're in
tradition
matching
is your
pages.
favorite?
You
So
are
it
not.
isn't about what you do.
Oh, I
it's
love
about-
people who are. Going
Okay,
out
then I
because-
would say that wearing matching PGs with a family and opening up one present each on Christmas Eve does sound quite cozy.
Then
Yeah,
just
it's-
take that.
I'll just take that one.
Yeah.
Okay, what's your favorite modern Christmas song?
Oh.
White Christmas of Bing Crosby, Santa Claus is Coming to Town of Bruce Springsteen, Please Come Home for Christmas, The Eagles,
I've
Blue,
never heard that
that's not a very modern Christmas song. Anyway, Blue Christmas of Elvis Presley, All I Want for Christmas is You, Maria, sorry.
Yeah.
Mary Gary.
I would want to say just Please Come Home for Christmas because it's the Eagles, but
I have to say White Christmas.
I think Bruce Springsteen because I find that very funny.
Yeah.
I'll say Bruce
Henrik?
Springsteen.
I'll take Santa
Don't you like
Claus.
All I Want for... No. Yeah.
I
Yeah.
found a very good. I
Mhm.
just forget. I will take Santa
Santa-
Claus is coming to town.
Yeah. Okay.
Olaus?
What do you love to do during the weeks leading up to the big day? Battle holiday shoppers for a great parking spot. Visit a fancy toy store downtown. Head to Disney World for a holiday vacation.
Oh,
Fall asleep on the couch while the rest of the family goes out shopping all day. Dress up as Santa for all the kids at your family party.
I have to be completely honest. If I had a fancy toy store downtown, I would
Yeah, that's
be
fair.
there all the time because toy stores are great. So I'll take that one.
I will take...
I mean, I do fall asleep on the couch while the rest of the family goes out shopping all day. No, I don't. But it happens that I fall asleep on the couch. But I'll take visit the fanciest toy store.
I would love to head to Disney World.
me too.
Yeah, oh, well, of course. Yeah, it's too late. You can't go back
I'll
on
go
this
to
test.
Disney World.
What will I do? Probably visit the fancy toy store downtown.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Is it my turn?
Yeah.
Yes.
When it comes to decorating for Christmas, what's one thing that you always go a little over the top with? Getting a perfect sized tree to cheer up your whole family? How many more lights we can put on the house?
On the
Turning-
house. No,
Yeah.
seriously.
Turning the living room into a winter wonderland? Volunteering and helping feed the homeless?
Just a question. How can you always go a little over the top with volunteering and helping feed the homeless?
I don't know.
I
Without
don't think
giving
you
all
can
your
ever do that.
No.
Yeah, if you
Maybe
give
if you're
all your
giving
food.
all your food. on
No,
Christmas
not
Eve.
actually.
If you're giving all the Christmas food, usually it's on the Christmas
Yeah, if you do
Eve.
it always, maybe. Okay, continue.
There's no time to decor when you have so many people on your shopping list. I don't think no one on that is...
No. I don't really like too many lights on the house.
No, not on
some,
the house.
Some house is okay, but not too much.
Probably getting a perfect sized tree.
I think that if I had my own family, that could be what would be the problem.
You don't have your own family?
No, but I'm not. I mean, I'm not. I'm never getting this
No.
tree.
No.
I don't know. I'll take turning the living room into winter one.
Okay.
I don't know how we can do that. But it is.
Okay. So, what
Oh.
do you want for Christmas this year?
Stop asking the same question, Isaac.
Nothing. It's too depressing to even think about.
Okay.
I did not understand what that.
Okay.
Your love life to get back on track. Olas, isn't that
yes,
your?
That's exactly mine.
Yes, a puppy, iPhone 12 Pro, and cash money.
I'd just like to say, I can't take the love life to get back on track because
It's never been on track. But you can say it anyway. You can say it anyway.
Okay, then I'll take that one.
I think that I would say a puppy because I want the dog. But I know that I won't get a dog.
But it is...
So I'll
yeah.
say a puppy.
But
I'll
you
say
want
a
it for
puppy.
Christmas.
I want it.
Yeah.
I just don't necessarily want it for Christmas.
Okay.
And
I
like your-
don't think it's this things
Love, life, back on track.
No, that's not one of my biggest Christmas.
Yeah, what do
Wish
you...
at
Do
this
you want
year.
an
But
iPhone
Olas,
12 Pro?
you had
No, I
Olas,
don't
you had girlfriend on top of your
Yeah.
wish list for Christmas last year.
That was...
You did not get one.
I did not write it. But
you had it.
I had it
I
on-
said you had it.
yeah, that's true.
You didn't remove it, but I'll take a puppy maybe.
Yeah, a puppy. It's very cozy with puppies. Yes.
We have a dog, so...
Yeah, you have a dog, so you don't want it.
Okay, is it... Yeah, what is your favorite Christmas color?
Oh.
Yes.
Okay, so then we have black, red,
Yes.
blue,
Yes.
gold,
Yes.
and green.
I think maybe red or.
I think I'll say green, but
I-
it's like I don't necessarily feel it's a very Christmas color.
Yeah, but I think green is a Christmas color if you have it with red.
That's
Yeah.
true. That's true, but not
Like, not alone.
Green is
no.
like the Christmas tree.
Yeah,
Yeah, but I'll say green because I like green better
I'll
than
take red.
I'll take red.
Yes.
Okay.
What?
I haven't got.
What's the problem?
Some technical problems,
Yes.
as usual.
As always, and it's Henrik's phone this time.
Who is your favorite reindeer? Is it Blitzen, Rudolph, Comet, Dancer, or Cupid?
I guess
Cupid.
this is the 5 reindeers.
No, it's more.
I think it's more than 5, but
Yeah.
Yeah, it's the.
it's a traditional thing.
I would probably say.
I don't feel any personal relationship with any else than Rudolph because Rudolph is the only one we sing
And
about.
all the reindeers did Bally Rudolph.
Yeah, that's
I
sad.
will say
But
Dancer.
I like the name Blitzen.
Yeah,
or
I want to
Cupid.
take Blitzen.
I'll
like
say
that
Cupid.
name.
Cupid.
Cupid.
Oh,
okay.
that is the
That is the
love thing.
love thing. Yes.
Oh.
Okay.
Next.
Next question.
What holiday movie genre do you consider to be your favorite?
Holiday movie genre.
That's not okay.
What?
Musical, drama or romance, comedy, fantasy, family friendly, fantasy.
Yeah, but like,
I've seen
Okay.
many
I would-
fantasy Christmas movies.
yeah, that's I like it.
Nightmare for Christmas.
I
That's
like
fantasy.
the family friendly. It's like
Yeah,
It's
the
cozy.
Christmas- yeah, it's the most
Yes.
Christmas.
Yeah, and that's
and
movie.
like
cozy.
Christmas in
Like-
floor clip.
Flogklipa.
Flowclip.
Flowklipa.
Flowclip.
Flow clap. I'll take family friendly maybe.
I'll take but I would
I'll say
like
fantasy.
I would most
Watch
like to
fantasy
see
Christmas.
fantasy, but like, yeah, it is my favorite.
But I mean, because in my family it's no problem. I
But
mean,
it's holiday movie genre, so then I'll take family friendly.
I have just okay. Yeah.
Yeah, okay, finally. When is the best time to start celebrating the Christmas season? Oh, this is a discussion we've had in school.
Yeah.
Okay,
Many
it says
times.
Christmas Eve, right after Thanksgiving, all year long, the week before, the day after Halloween.
It's like,
I'll take the week before, I think.
yeah, I would do that, but I mean, for me, I don't care when people start celebrating. It's not
Yeah.
my problem, you know. So
Oh.
for
I
me, it's-
will take the...
because someone is like have very strong meanings. No, you
Yeah.
can't
Oh,
do
you
anything
can-
with Christmas
Yeah.
before. But hello,
I
of
can do
course,
it, you can wait.
You can wait. So,
I will take right after Thanksgiving.
When
but
is
that's
Thanksgiving?
that's not so long ago.
Oh,
I
it's-
mean,
No,
it's
it's
the
just like 1
21st.
month. It's
Yeah.
It's less than
Yes,
1
and it's the
month.
Advent. Yes, I will think right after Thanksgiving.
But I'll say the week before, because the Christmas season, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Calculating results
Almost
almost
done.
done. Get results, cleaning up, analyzing
Oh.
responses.
Okay.
Oh,
okay.
oh.
Okay.
I've never heard of this.
I have not heard of this. Maybe I have. Okay. I can start.
Okay.
You should watch Miracle on 34th Street, 1947.
Oh.
Okay.
And the old I don't know. It's not so important. Yeah, it's a classic
Yeah.
kind of thing.
Do you want to hear mine?
Yes.
Miracle on 34th Street.
The one from 1947.
Yes.
Oh, cool!
Actually,
that was
that's-
one I had.
Yeah.
One I had too.
Okay, Henrik, what is yours?
Mine is the
Miracle.
the Santa Claus.
Santa Claus.
The Santa
The
Claus.
Santa Claus.
And like Santa Claus, like this Santa.
Santa Claus. CL.
Oh. Okay.
Okay.
Because I am in need of some laughter.
You're in need of some laughter.
Oh.
Why? That's maybe a bit sad. But yeah. Okay. So now we know which Christmas. Will you see this one? Please? Just will you see the one you got just because?
Yeah, we should watch it together.
Maybe we should watch that.
And I
together.
should watch
You're
the
alone.
Santa
Yes,
Claus alone.
you're just watching that alone. We're not gonna. No, but probably it's a funny movie.
Yeah,
I
it's
don't
from
know.
1947. It's in black and white, so
Then it has to be a
it
funny
has to be a
movie.
funny movie.
Okay.
Yeah.
Um.
What is the next on the program?
Are we gonna get a new jingle?
I will go.
Or is it too
Yes.
many jingles?
Is it?
No,
too
we
early?
can't.
No, we can get a new jingle. New
We
jingle.
like jingles.
Okay, jingle.
Vi er ikke klare ennå, Mathias. Vi er ikke klare. Du bare spiller inn. Ok. Ok.
Wow, this is one of my favorite jingles.
Yeah.
You have not heard it,
Yeah,
right?
but it is one of my favorite jingles.
Okay,
Yeah.
just for you, we don't know which jingles we're gonna
No.
put in different places, so he have no clue if this was his favorite. Okay, so guys, I have got a Christmas card from Caspian,
Woohoo!
and this is exciting.
Okay.
Yes.
Are you ready for hearing what he says?
I am
Yes.
super ready.
Okay. He has sent it digital, so I can't, and I have not printed it out, so. Hey there, dear friends. Isaac, Henrik, and the last one. I can't remember his name.
Oh.
He said, sorry for that.
Oh.
And then he has many, what is it called? Utropstecken. When you're shouting. Exclamation marks.
Yes.
He has many marks. It's
Oh.
5,
Oh.
6. And then he says, this is just a little sign of life from me. I'm very well and lives my life in peace. Christmas is getting closer and I am really excited. I am actually just engaged.
Oh.
So I'll spend the Christmas together with my fiancée.
Fiance.
Sorry, fiancée. Is a very sweet fish girl named Dory. And then he says, not the one from Finding Nemo or Finding Dory. And then he says, I'll send a picture of her and her sister with this letter. They are Caspian Kurums too. Look, here you have a
okay,
picture
now
of it.
you-
The listeners can't see. But it's a sweet picture of two sweet fish girls. Nice, maybe we can post it on the... On
The letter?
Site, hairspray.in.
Yeah.
We'll see what we can do.
Yes.
And then it says, she has been my girlfriend for some weeks, Dory. So last Friday I felt it was time to propose and she said yes.
Wow.
And then it says, it's not harder than that. And we are planning when to marry. You should try it out, Henrik, he says. Oh, have you someone to propose for now? Do?
No,
No,
I don't
okay.
think.
Henrik, how
Yes.
would you propose? If we pretend that someone here you're gonna propose to.
Do you want to marry me?
That's not enough. Okay. I have listened to every episode of yours, and I think it's really nice of you mentioning me so many times in the episodes! Exclamation mark! Exclamation mark! And the pantomime theater you had last time was really great.
Oh.
I couldn't hear a single word, but it really touched me deep inside. I'm not actually a very sensitive fish, but I have to admit that when the pantomime part came, some fishy salty tears ran down my cheek. But I also have to admit that when Dory said yes, I cried even more.
Okay.
You see, and then it's like just, you see, I'm engaged. Yeah, you have already said that, but okay. I have listened. What? It's the same thing. Okay, he sent us. I have listened to every episode of yours, and I think once more. Not interesting. I have never written Christmas letters before, so I don't actually know how to do it, but I hope this is a bit like how it's meant to be. Yes? He tells about what's happened in his life the past year, or past weeks.
Yeah, he
And-
got engaged, so...
Yeah, he got engaged.
That's
hello.
a good thing to write on the Christmas card, I think.
That's very good writing on that. I have never written Christmas cards for myself,
I
like
have
Christmas
never
letter
done
like that. And cool. Some days ago, I heard a song that inspired me to write a poem.
Oh.
You can read the poem down below. So this is a little poem I wrote for you.
Okay.
And then it says, this is the poem. I'm looking on a blue Christmas. Just like the ones I still happens to know. Where the seagrass glisten and fish baby listen. To look for marshmallow in the sand. Oh, the sand. Okay. I said, looking on a blue Christmas with every gum I chew and blue. May your days be hairy and askew. Okay, that's two names. And may all your Christmas be blue.
But Blue Christmas isn't very very positive.
But he
No, but probably
Isn't
he's a
that like-
fish.
lives in the sea.
Oh,
It's
that's
ocean blue.
Like Blue Christmas is like if you're alone
I
and...
completely agree. I don't, but
Maybe
know
Blue
which
Christmas
song,
is some positive thing in the
But do
sea.
you know which song is maybe been inspired
Yeah.
by?
Maybe
What it was...
All I Want for Christmas is
Yeah, it was that one. Okay, and then it says, "Merry Christmas to you guys!" Exclamation mark! Exclamation mark! I look forward for the following years and to see you soon! Exclamation mark! Exclamation mark! Exclamation mark! Yeah, the same Caspian. And then it's written XXX Caspian, and here's PS. PS. This is a no reply letter.
Oh.
He don't want us to send back. No, but
Oh.
we're saying to you, Caspian, very nice of you sending letter to us.
Yes.
Oh,
Like,
PPS.
Oh.
His name is Olaus, right? Ah, he got it. He got it right.
remembered
Ooh,
it.
he got it right.
Oh.
PPPS.
Oh.
Did I tell you that I'm engaged? Yes, you did.
Yes, you
actually.
did.
I think he's very happy.
Yes,
He's
that's
very
right.
happy. He's like on his heels.
he
Whoa.
loved Dory.
You love Dory. That's sweet. Thank you so much, Caspian, for sending us this letter.
Christmas.
Yeah.
Yes.
That was very cozy, very
It was very
nice.
cozy.
And we do look forward to meet you soon again.
Yes.
For the first time. We have not met each other, but
Yeah.
as far as we know you,
I feel we have get good friends.
yeah, good friends and very close to you, Captain.
Yes.
We hope you
Yeah.
feel the same. Olaus.
Yeah.
And hope you'll remember Olaus. Yeah, you remember this name. Yeah.
Yes.
Oh,
His
yes.
name is Olaus, right? It's completely correct.
Yes.
Correct. No right, wrongs, nothing. That's good.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
But was that the Christmas edition? Was that the episode for today?
edition.
Then we just want to say
Merry Christmas
and a Happy New Year! No, not yet.
Yeah. But
Yes.
we will probably not make a new
Oh,
podcast.
that's true.
I
That's
don't
true.
think.
But we think we'll be back again.
Maybe. But this is the last episode of the season.
Of the season, so we'll see.
2020.
Maybe it will be a new season. Maybe.
We'll see.
Yeah.
Maybe. Yeah. Probably. Yeah. We hope for it, so we can see you or
Yes.
listen. No, we can't.
You
You can
can
listen
listen
us because we have such beautiful voices. Yes. Thank you. Thank you for today and
Yes.
goodbye and Merry Christmas again and Olaus.
And
The scene, the stage
the last
yours.
time in 2020.
Merry Christmas.
Stay cool in the refrigerator.
Thank you.